Let's make Nutella strawberries and cream puffs. Cut heart shapes out of your puff pastry, or any shape you like. Then place in a baking tray and brush with egg wash. Give it a sprinkle of sugar and bake in the oven for about 8 minutes or until puffed and golden. Slice them in half, then whisk double cream and icing sugar to stiff peaks. Also, here's me standing in case you've never seen me stand before. Pop Nutella over the pastry base, then pipe on the whipped cream and place the sliced strawberries on top. Place on the pastry lid, then dust with icing sugar, and that's it. They're so fresh and creamy and they taste amazing. Enjoy! Let's make strawberries and cream puff pastries. Slice ready roll pastry into 10 rectangles, then brush the tops with egg wash and bake in the oven for about 8 minutes. Let them cool slightly, then gently slice them in half. Whisk double cream and icing sugar to stiff peaks, then spread over a layer of strawberry jam, pipe on the whipped cream and top with sliced strawberries. Place the pastry lid on top and dust with icing sugar. And that's it. They're so light and crisp and creamy and just so good. Enjoy! Here's how to make super easy and delicious strawberry cheesecake danishes. Whisk cream cheese, icing sugar and vanilla until combined, then slice your strawberries as thinly as possible. Grab your ready roll puff pastry. You can make your own pastry if you prefer, but this is much easier, and I think store-bought pastry is great. Slice it into 8 rectangles, then score a border in the middle. Add your cream cheese mix and sliced strawberries, then brush with egg wash and sprinkle with sugar. Bake in the oven, then let them cool. Mix together icing sugar and milk for the glaze, then drizzle it over the top. They're so crispy and light and fresh, and they taste amazing. Enjoy!
Nothing but an expired exit from my life. An expired exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment. I'm not yours, 'cause you're nothing but an expired exit from my.
If you're not making this 2-ingredient baked brie, you're missing out. On this 6th day of Baked Brie Week, we are making a classic garlic butter baked brie. When you're scoring the top of your brie, don't be afraid to dig your knife in. These slits are to allow that warm butter garlic mixture to seep right into your brie. Add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, depending on how garlicky you'd like your brie to be. Salt and pepper is optional, and baking directions are in the caption. Once out of the oven, top with some fresh thyme if you'd like. Enjoy with crostini, and follow along for tomorrow's last baked brie recipe. You need to try my strawberry balsamic baked brie. Super easy to make and the perfect appetizer to make all spring and summer long. Score the top of your brie cheese wheel and baking directions are in the caption. On medium heat, add balsamic vinegar and honey to a pan. Then add in your strawberries. Once your brie is baked, add on your strawberry balsamic mixture. Top with some basil and enjoy with good company.